AT&T has faced persistent network reliability challenges marked by notable outages and subsequent fixes. As of March 2026, while the network is currently stable with a reported 99.8% uptime in Q1, past incidents, such as the major nationwide outage in late 2025, underscore the need for continuous improvement. AT&T's efforts to enhance its network include significant investments in infrastructure upgrades, partnerships for advanced technologies, and increased regulatory scrutiny from the FCC. The core question is, what steps are they taking to definitively fix these problems and achieve consistent reliability? AT&T's network problems arise from a combination of factors. These include the complexity of managing legacy copper lines alongside modern fiber optics and wireless technologies. Transitioning to all IP networks introduces vulnerabilities where single points of failure, like software glitches in core routers, can lead to widespread outages. Common disruption causes are cyber attacks, physical damage from storms or construction, and capacity overloads during peak usage. The initial C-band spectrum migration also caused interference issues. Understanding these root causes is crucial to formulating effective solutions. AT&T has committed significant investments to upgrade their network infrastructure. The company has allocated $20 billion for network upgrades during 2025 and 2026. This investment focuses on expanding 5G Plus and fiber-to-the-home networks, aiming to cover 85% of U.S. households by 2027. Fiber-to-the-home technology delivers high-speed internet directly to homes through dedicated fiber optic cables. AT&T is investing in AI and automation tools to reduce downtime and accelerate incident response times. These upgrades prepare AT&T for increased data traffic, projected to rise 200% by 2030, requiring quantum-resistant encryption against emerging cyber threats. AT&T forms strategic partnerships with leading technology vendors to advance its network capabilities. AT&T collaborates with Ericsson and Nokia, two global leaders in telecommunications technology. Together, they implement software-defined networking, or SDN. This innovative approach separates network control from data forwarding, making networks more programmable and responsive. These partnerships are crucial for enhancing network resilience against cyber threats and natural disasters, helping AT&T maintain service continuity. By adopting cloud computing, AT&T enables dynamic resource allocation, which can significantly reduce network downtime and improve overall performance. Through these collaborations, AT&T leverages cutting-edge technologies and expertise to continuously improve its network infrastructure and security. AT&T faces ongoing regulatory scrutiny from the Federal Communications Commission due to frequent service disruptions that impact millions of customers nationwide. In 2025, the company incurred fines totaling $500 million for repeated outages, highlighting the high cost of regulatory noncompliance. Compliance with FCC regulations is essential, including net neutrality rules that ensure equal access to online content without discriminatory practices. Additionally, meeting 911 reliability standards is crucial to ensure emergency services remain accessible during network issues. The company must prioritize latency reduction, targeting sub-1 millisecond response times for critical applications to meet modern regulatory expectations. Implementing robust security protocols, such as zero-trust architecture, helps AT&T meet regulatory requirements and maintain public trust in its network reliability. Through these efforts, AT&T works to balance innovation with regulatory compliance to provide reliable telecommunications services. The future of AT&T's network involves a shift towards AI-enhanced resilience. AT&T is adopting network-as-a-service models, integrating cloud computing for dynamic resource allocation. By 2028, AT&T aims for 100% fiber coverage in urban areas and 90% nationwide. Sustainable networks, such as solar-powered towers, are being considered to mitigate outage risks from power grids. Research into 6G technology promises even faster speeds and built-in redundancy, while challenges like spectrum congestion and geopolitical tensions remain. Analysts predict improved network reliability for AT&T by 2030. Experts emphasize that AT&T's challenges are symptomatic of the telecom industry's broader shift to digital-first infrastructure. Experts emphasize that AT&T's challenges are symptomatic of the telecom industry's broader shift to digital-first infrastructure. They highlight the need for diversified infrastructure to ensure reliable service. They note the need for zero downtime architectures, with AI potentially reducing incident response times. Zero downtime architectures are essential for maintaining service continuity. Statistics show that while AT&T has reduced the number of major outages, the cost of outages to U.S. businesses remains significant. Current uptime percentages demonstrate progress, but higher reliability is needed. Moving forward, AT&T needs to balance innovation with stability, investing in explainable AI tools and diversified infrastructure. Explainable AI is crucial for transparent and reliable decision-making in network operations. AT&T plans to achieve a 99.99% network reliability index by 2030, driven by AI automation. AI automation will significantly improve incident response times and overall network reliability. In conclusion, by balancing innovation with stability and leveraging advanced technologies, AT&T can ensure reliable service and meet evolving customer demands.